Welcome back. In Employee Training Manager, there are several ways to enter employee records. You can upload evidence directly into an employee's profile from your computer, or you can bulk upload multiple employees at once. But in this video, we're going to look at a really cool feature that's completely unique to OneCard: how to process the data that's been uploaded into the Employee Training Manager Uploader. This could be from new hires, remote teams, or your people leaders. To access the uploader, just head to the top menu and click on the cloud icon. That's where all your incoming employee uploads will appear. When you open the uploader, the first table you'll see shows the entries waiting for your admin team to process. In this example, Paul is a new hire who's uploaded a couple of tickets, and Jeff is a supervisor who may have uploaded documents for himself or on behalf of someone in his team. So let's take a look at what Paul has uploaded. You can see here that he's left a note for the administrator, which is always helpful, so we'll open up Paul's records first. Paul's mentioned that he'll send through the rest of his tickets tomorrow, and as the administrator, you can scroll down to review what he's already provided. If there are multiple tickets, some of them might be collapsed. Just open them up and check the certificate or license he's submitted to make sure it meets your company's requirements. Everything looks good here. The certificate is in date, the details match, and it's exactly what Paul said it was. But if something isn't right, and for example the expiry should actually be the 25th instead of the 26th, you can jump in and make that change straight away. A lot of employees don't name their PDFs properly, and normally that becomes really time-consuming for administrators. But in ETM we make it simple. You can rename the PDF right here in the uploader without having to save it, re-upload it, or fix it somewhere else. Now we've got Paul Upload Open. If Paul were a supervisor uploading on behalf of someone else, you could use the drop-down box here to choose the correct employee the ticket belongs to. In this case, it is Paul, so we're going to process his ticket. Next, you simply go to Assign. This is where you choose the competency, or multiple competencies, that are covered by that certificate. With our Quick Find tool, you just start typing and the competency will appear. For example, as soon as you type First Aid, it pops up. If Paul's certificate covered First Aid and Advanced First Aid, you could simply tick both. For now, we'll just select the one. Once you've chosen the competency or competencies, go ahead and add them. The PDF he uploaded is already attached right here, so you don't need to do anything extra. Now you just do your normal data entry and pop in the date the competency was achieved. It's a 3-year expiry, everything lines up correctly, and once you're happy with it, just hit Save and Close. That First Aid certificate is now attached to Paul Profile, and you can simply mark this upload as processed and close it off. You'll now see that it's been marked as processed here. And before we move on, you can also see all the different outcomes you might select. You can send a certificate back for internal review, return it to the employee if the dates aren't clear or it's the wrong ticket, or cancel it completely. But in this case, we've processed it correctly, so we'll record it as processed and move on. This upload has now been cleared from your administrator's run sheet, and the only one left to process is Jeff. But remember, you never lose anything in Employee Training Manager. You always have a full historical record of every upload your administrators have processed, and you can see the completed entry for Paul's right here. So that's the full process for reviewing and approving and processing uploads in Employee Training Manager, from checking the certificate, confirming the details, assigning the right competencies, and saving it straight to the employee's profile. It's simple, quick, and easy. And it eliminates lost emails and all the "I sent it last week" conversations that usually come with chasing certificates. You've now got a clear history of what your employees have uploaded and when. All right, until next time. Keep safe and keep audit ready every day, not just audit day.